Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum grade 6. Hope so you all are well by the grace of Allah Almighty. In our previous lecture we have completed exercise 4a and also we have understood the concepts about LCM and LCM by prime factorization method. In today's lecture we will understood the concept about LCM by division method and also we will solve question number 1 and 2 related to prime factorization method and common multiple method. Here question number 1 is find the LCM of the following numbers by the common multiple method and part number 1 is 4, 6 and 8. So let's find LCM by common multiple method. स्टूडेंट्स लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम गिवन नंबर्स के मल्टीपल्स फाइंड करेंगे देन कॉमन मल्टीपल फाइंड आउट करेंगे और कॉमन मल्टीपल में जो सबसे लोएस्ट नंबर होगा सबसे लोएस्ट मल्टीपल होगा वो हमारा क्या होगा लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. सो लेट्स सी मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 आर 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and so on. Also let's see multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. And also multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. Students, let's see the common multiples of 4, 6 and 8. You can see that 8 is not common as it is present in the multiples of 8 and also in the multiples of 4 but not present in the multiples of 6. Student, 16 is also not common multiple and 24 is the common multiple as it is present in the multiples of 8, 6 and 4 that you can see here 24, 24 and 24. Now 32 is not common, 40 is also not common and you can see that 48 is common as 48 is a multiple of 8, also 48 is a multiple of 6 and if we extend it more then that would be 44 and 48. So here is also 48 present, so which means 48 is common. As I have written here 48 and so on. Now the lowest common multiple is 24. So the least common multiple of 4, 6 and 8 is 24. Now students, let's see part number 2 that is 10, 15 and 20. We have to find LCM by common multiple method. So first of all, multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and so on. And also multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150 and so on. Now the multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 and so on. Students, these are the multiples of the given number 10, 15 and 20. Let's see the common multiples of 10, 15 and 20. You can see that 20 is not common, also 40 is not common and now let's see 60 is common or not. You can see 60 is present in the multiples of 20, also in the multiples of 15 and also present in the multiples of 10. As you can see here 60 is common. Now here students, 80 is not common, 100 is also not common, 120, let's see here is 120 and also here is 120 and if we extend it to forward numbers then next multiple would be 110 and 120. So 120 is also the multiple of 10 and it is common. I have write it here and so on. Now the least common multiple is 60. So the LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is equal to 60. Move towards the question number 2 that is find the LCM of the following number by prime factorization. Student, we have to find least common multiple by prime factorization. Part number 1 is 45, 75, 125. So first we will find the prime factors of 45. As you can see here 45 is the odd number, so divide it to the number 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 will be carry here and it would become 15 and 3 fives are 15. Now again 3 fives are 15 and 5 ones are 5. Now next one is 75. As 75 is an odd number and also divisible by 3. So 3 twos are 6, 1 will be carry here. It would become 15 and 3 fives are 15. Now 5 fives are 25 and 5 ones are 5. Next one is 125. As you can see that at unit place the digit mentioned is 5, which shows that this number is divisible by 5. Now 5 twos are 10 and 2 will be carry here. It would become 25. 5 fives are 25. Now 5 fives are 25 and 5 ones are 5. Prime factors of 45 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 here, and also we can write 3 multiplied by 3 as 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5. Now the prime factors of 75 are 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 3 will be as it is, and we can write 5 multiplied by 5 as 5 to the power of 2. Now the prime factors of 125 are 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, and we can also write it as 5 to the power of 3. Now students, as we know that the LCM is equal to product of all the prime factors with highest power. स्टूडेंट्स इट मीन्स जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स हमने फाइंड आउट किए हैं इनका जो प्रोडक्ट होगा वो एलसीएम के इक्वल होगा। आप किन नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट एलसीएम के इक्वल होगा? स्टूडेंट्स जिनके पावर ग्रेटेस्ट होंगे उनका प्रोडक्ट जब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो वो एलसीएम के इक्वल होगा। As you can see that the highest power of the number 3 is 2, which is mentioned here, and the highest power of 5 is 3, which is also mentioned here. So the product of prime factors with highest power are 3 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 3. Now students, 3 to the power of 2 means 3 multiplied by 3 and answer is equal to 9, and 5 to the power of 3 means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 125. Now multiply 125 to 9, the answer is 1125. So now students, 1125 is the LCM of 45, 75 and 125. स्टूडेंट्स आपने इस पॉइंट को अच्छे से याद रखना है। प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में एलसीएम किसके इक्वल होता है? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल द प्राइम फैक्टर्स विद हाईएस्ट पावर। स्टूडेंट्स, part number 2 and 3 is in your homework. Let's move towards the part number 4. Now here is the solution. First we will find the prime factors of 28. As we know that 28 is an even number, so divide it to 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Now 2 sevens are 14 and 7 ones are 7. Students, next one is 35. Let's see the prime factors of 35. As we can see that at unit place the digit mentioned is 5, which shows that this number is divisible by 5. So 5 sevens are 35 and 7 ones are 7. Now move towards the number 56. As 56 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 twos are 4 and 1 will be carried here. It would become 16 and 2 8s are 16. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. 2 sevens are 14 and 7 ones are 7. Next one is 84. As it is also an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Now 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. As we can see that the sum of these two digits is 3, which shows that this number is divisible by 3. So 3 sevens are 21 and 7 ones are 7. Now we can write the prime factors of 28 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 is here, and also we can write 2 multiplied by 2 as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 7, and also prime factors of 35 are 5 multiplied by 7 as mentioned here. Now the prime factors of 56 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. We can write the value of 2 as 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 7. And prime factors of 84 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So we can write 2 multiplied by 2 as 2 to the power of 2 and multiply by 3 and multiply by 7 as it is. Now as we know that least common multiple is the product of all the prime factors with highest power. So students, you can see that the highest power of 2 is 2 raised to power 3. Highest power is 3, and the highest power of 3 is just 1. Also, the highest power of 5 is 1 and highest power of 7 is just 1. So the least common multiple will be the product of these values. Let's see here. Least common multiple of 28, 35, 56 and 84 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. As these are the product of prime factors with highest power. Now 2 to the power of 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and the answer is 8. Now multiply by 5, multiply by 3 and multiply by 7. If we multiply these values, then the answer is 840. So 840 is the least common multiple LCM of 28, 35, 56 and 84. Students, you can do part number 2 and 3 by yourself. स्टूडेंट्स, लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं जो भी नंबर गिवन होंगे। प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने के बाद उनको आपने अगर तो रिपीटेड है तो उनको पार के फॉर्म में लिखना है, और पार के फॉर्म में लिखने के बाद लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल फाइंड करना है उनके प्रोडक्ट्स के थ्रू। प्रोडक्ट्स के थ्रू कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? आपने प्राइम फैक्टर्स विद हाईएस्ट पावर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एंड देन आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा एलसीएम का। Now students, let's understand the concept of LCM by division method. Finding the LCM of two or more numbers by prime factorization needs a lot of calculation. So a simpler method known as the division method is used. Step number 1 is choose a divisor which divide exactly at least two of the given numbers. लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम एक डिवाइजर चूज़ करेंगे जो कि एटलीस्ट टू गिवन नंबर्स को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करेगा. सो सेकेंड स्टेप, नाउ कैरी फॉरवर्ड द रिमेनिंग नंबर नॉट डिविजिबल बाय द डिवाइजर इन अ रो बिलो द ओरिजिनल नंबर्स. स्टूडेंट्स, डिवाइजर से गिवन नंबर को एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आंसर है वो ओरिजिनल नंबर के बिलो ही लिखेंगे नीचे और एक रो की फॉर्म में. तो फर्स्ट डिवाइज़र से डिवाइड करने के बाद आंसर उसी डिवाइज़र से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. स्टेप नंबर 3 इज़ कंटिन्यू द प्रोसेस अंटिल नो टू नंबर्स आर अवेलेबल फॉर फर्दर डिवीजन. स्टूडेंट्स, इस प्रोसेस को कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे टिल देयर विल लेफ्ट नो नंबर for further division. Now step number 4 is the product of the divisor and the remaining undivided number is the required LCM. और LCM फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम डिवाइजर को और जो रिमेनिंग अनडिवाइडेड नंबर्स होंगे उनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उनका प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करेंगे, सो LCM रिक्वायर्ड होगा. Students, these are the 4 steps. If we follow these 4 steps, then we get easily LCM by division method. Students, let's see an example to understand the properties. Example number 13 is find the LCM of 20, 24 and 45 by the division method. So first we will select the divisor that can be divided at least two of the numbers. If we select 2, then 2 can divide it 20 and 24. So 2 ones are 2 and 0 will be as it is, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 and 45 will be as it is. Now further divide, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12 and 45 as it is. Now 5 will be as it is and 3 we get 3 by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 and 45 will be as it is. Now we can see that this number can't be divided by the divisor 2, so we will change the divisor and we will select the divisor 3. So 3 will divide both of these numbers. Students, you can see 5 will be as it is and 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3, 1 will be carry here, it would become 15 and 3 5s are 15. Now again 3 will be divisor selected and 5 as it is, 1 as it is and 3 5s are 15. Now here is 5, 1 and 5. Now select the divisor 5, then the result will be 5 ones are 5, 1 as it is and 5 ones are 5. Now you can see the result 1, 1 and 1 and it can't be further divided. So students, the LCM least common multiple will be the product of these values and it is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. By solving it, the answer is 360. Students, we will continue the process of division until we get the numbers 1, 1 and 1. Students, hope so you all get understood it clearly. Now students, understood and do practice of example number 14, 15, 16 and 17 by yourself. Students, part number 2 and 3 is in your homework and also do practice of question number 1 and 2. Okay, best of luck, stay home, stay safe, Allah Hafiz.